Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have a Note 10 Plus and a Qi-compatible pad. Now start. First, remove bulky cases and magnetic mounts so the back sits flush. Next, plug the charger into a 9V/1. 67, a USB-C adapter, or a fast charge wall plug to enable optimal wattage. Once done, place the phone face up and center the camera area over the pad's coil area. This alignment matters because misalignment reduces charging speed and can stop charging completely. Once the phone is centered, look at the lock screen to confirm the charging icon and percentage appear within 5 to 10 seconds. If you see no charge, make sure wireless power share is off so the phone negotiates properly with the pad. Also confirm the pad is on a flat, stable surface, and there's no metal, cards, or magnetic mounts between surfaces. Such objects block the magnetic field and can slow or stop charging. Make sure the phone's software is up to date for best compatibility. To finish, leave the Note 10 Plus resting centered on the pad until it reaches your desired percentage. Avoid repeatedly lifting it because frequent interruptions reduce efficiency. If charging is slow, swap to a higher wattage Qi pad or use the supplied fast charger adapter. Wattage and adapter quality affect negotiation. If the phone still won't charge, restart your phone and unplug and replug the pad to power cycle it. This simple reset fixes handshake issues most of the time, and then recenter the phone and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.